At this station, you will round the numbers. You will underline the number you are rounding to. For example, if it says to round to the hundredths place, you will underline the hundredths place, and then you will draw an arrow to the right. Remember, if the number next door is 4 or lower, it sits tight. If the number is 5 or higher, it takes flight. So when looking at this one right here, I have to underline the number in the 10,000ths place and place an arrow, and then look at the number next door and see if it's 4 or lower, and then it will sit tight, and if it's 5 or higher, it will take flight. And also within this station, you will explain how you rounded the number to the nearest 10,000 and how you rounded this number to the nearest 100,000. So explain with the last two problems how you rounded the number.